Hello friends, today we are going to study the last type of collection, which are maps. Maps are really handy, so we need to know very well. So what is map in Apex? A map is a collection of key value pairs where each unique key maps to a single value. Keys and values can be any data type: primitive data types, collection, as object, user-defined types, and built-in Apex types like the classes which we work on our org. This table, as you can see, we have country and currency. We have one United States, we don't have another United States, but we have dollar, and any other countries they can use dollar. So the country or key is unique, but the currency, another country also can use dollar, so can change value, but the key is unique. So United States has dollar, Japan has yen, and France has euro, England has pound, and India has rupee. But some other countries like Pakistan also they use rupee, so it can change. Map keys and values can contain any collection and can contain nested collection as lists and sets. For example, you can have a map of integers to maps, which in turn map strings to list. Map keys can contain up to 7 levels of nested collection. That is up to 8 levels overall. It can be nested. So to declare a map, use the map keyword followed by the data types of the key and value within these characters. For example, the general syntax for in Apex map is the keyword map and then key. The first one is key, then value, then can be any data type, both of them, but key is unique. So variable name of this map and new keyword is compulsory, and then map with the between characters we write key and value, and then we open and close brackets. So these are just to save time. Let's go to our developer console. Sorry, we have I have prepared some examples for today's lesson. So what I did is just create a new class for maps. This is my class name, and then I open another class, public static void and maps test method. I have then what I did, I defined a class which has no any value. So if we debug it, execute this one, as you can see, debug only, and the cities in UK are nothing is there, right? Because my class has no any value in that, as you can see. So but if you want to put, it's not like a list or set. In this we have put method. Okay, put method help us to add a value in the map. So we write the variable name dot put, and then the data type. What is that? Integer 1. If it's a string, then you have to put comma and quote around it. So the first value is number 1, key value is the string is London. Second one, third one is Cardiff. If I write here this, I want to add, then this is my method, and then if you go to the number 9, as you can see, number 9 is London, Liverpool, and third one is Cardiff. But if you want to change, for example, if you put here number 2, okay, if you put number 2 here, then my developer console, let's execute it and debug Liverpool. So one thing, when you do this, then you have to save it. I forgot to save. Then going back to my anonymous window and then execute it. As you can see, London and Cardiff, Liverpool not is it's now there. So what you can do, this is a method. If you write the same key value, the last one is the acceptable one, or the console accept the last key value. So let's put here again 3 to save it. Another method is get key method. If you want to get key, like get, you want to use in system debug in parentheses, get key value of 2, so it will give you the name of the city. If you write 3, then it will give Cardiff. So 1, it will give that. If it's not there, then it returns, let's see. For example, if you write something which is not there, let's write 5 and then save it. It will give, execute it. Number 12, as you can see, null. So the value of map can be null as well, as we mentioned in our slideshow. So it can be null if you write something here. So let's put 2 again. It is Liverpool. Key set, another method in map, it is key set. If you want to use key set in system debug debug cities key set, it will give you the value of key, the set of the keys. How many sets, how many we have? 1, 2, 3 we have here. So it will give you this one. As you can see, number 15. Number 15 is 1, 2, 3. So key set method will give you the number of this key IDs. Values method is also handy. Cities.values, and then it will give us the value of string, the second one, key and value. We have keys and value. Key set, it will give us the keys, and values, it will give the values of each key. As we mentioned, we can have, for example, same city for 2. It doesn't matter. But we have one key set. It is unique. Size method is that if you want to know how many values, maybe here it's easy to count, but sometimes there are 100 or you cannot count. But in that time you can count by using integer, because the size gives you number. Number is a data type integer as city uk.size, and then we have 1, 2, 3 value here, so it is give you number 22, 3. Another method, we have colon. For colon, you need to just, if you want to colon the map, so you need to generate a new map, which is to give a different number, and then cities in UK dot colon, and then we will have same values as this one here, as you can see if you execute it. And then clear method, it's a bit to apply it different. Citizen UK dot, I want to clear this one, and then dot clear method, then we will have an empty bracket, as you can see. So if you want to clear all of them, then you need to use clear method to put the data variable name dot clear, and then contains key also is a handy. If you want to know any keys, it contains key. For example, contains key to, it is false or true. You want to use, let's execute it. It contains key 2. Is true or false? Second time. It is false. As you can see, contains key because my last this list, it has no any value. But if I comment it out, what happens? Then it's supposed to be this city, it must have contains key value 2. Then see, execute again. It is false. Still, we don't have contains key value 2. So in this way, there are some other methods we can use for maps, like empty, and some other methods we can use for, as I told you, when you work on it, you have to save it. That's why it came false. But now I am saving it, Control S. Then if contains key 2 my this list, then it's supposed to be true. So when you execute it, it will come to true because it contains key 2. If I write 10, it means it will be false because it doesn't contains. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe and then get new support. I will appreciate. Thank you very much. Have a good day.